Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert. One of the coziest features of my house is that it has a real wood-burning fireplace. While I love a homey fire during the winter, spring is a different story. Quilters, have you ever cleaned your chimney and fireplace only to find ashes and charred bits of wood? What a waste! With our new Go Chimney Sweep Die, waste isn't even in our vocabulary. Let me introduce you to one of our new one die wonders, Go Chimney Sweep. Quilters, it's a block on board or a bob die. So what does that mean? Well, all the pieces you need to make one block are on one die board. Since this die is specially designed to cut one 2-color block, you can cut a 10-inch block with just one pass through the cutter. No templates, no special rulers required. The Go Chimney Sweep Die has 5 basic shapes that can be time-consuming to cut by hand. Another feature of the Go Chimney Sweep Die includes screen-printed letters on each of the shapes for easy piecing and organization. This die is perfect for beginners ready for their next challenge. This die is also fat quarter friendly and a great way to bust up your stash. The die packaging includes step-by-step sewing instructions to make constructing the block easy. Plus, it includes a free pattern to show you how to make this really cute Go Chimney Sweep table runner. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this project. One of the great features of the Go Chimney Sweep Die is that it has specialized dog ears, so you don't have to clip or trim. It also includes that perfect 1/4-inch seam allowance for easy alignment and piecing. Quilters, since this is a bob die, let me show you how easy it is to cut all of the pieces that you need for your block in one pass. Taking my fabric right here, all right, put on my cutting mat. Now I'm using our Go Big electric fabric cutter today, but you could use this with your Go Me, your Go Big, even your studio cutter with the appropriate adapter. All right, quilters, slide that mat off, don't lift. That way the pieces don't stick to the mat. And ta-da, we've cut all of the pieces for our block in one pass. Quilters, I've already sewn together half this block so that I can show you how easy it is to piece together the other half. So the first thing we're gonna start is we're gonna just build it backwards. So I need a square right here and these smaller rectangles right here. I love the fact that you could use a design wall. That way you make sure all the pieces are going in the correct direction. All right, and then I need a big one there, and I need a red down here at the end. So look how pretty this is. Then I'm gonna fill in with those half square triangles. Okay, quilters, now remember the half square triangles have the dog ears built into them, so it might look like it's not going to fit, but actually it will because we have the 1/4-inch seam allowance. All right, here we go. And I just need one more there and then one on the end. Half square triangles, they're my favorite shape. Right, perfect right there. And ta-da, here is your block. Now quilters, if you like this pattern, but you want to play with the colorway, you can make it fit your decor, or maybe you want specific colors for a gift. You can go to Go Quilt on the AccuQuilt.com website and create an entirely different block. This die would work perfectly with the 10-inch cube. Just think of all of the possibilities. Make sure to add the new GO Chimney Sweep Die to your Bob collection. You can pick one up from your local retailer or at AccuQuilt.com. Hope to see you soon.